Hi Nina, so here's a first pass at your shelves. It is just a first pass. Happy to look at other ideas, other layouts. There's lots we could do with this space. Just very simple bookshelving really. I think I've got a 320 deep shelf there. I think those next three are 250 deep, and then some shallower ones right up the top. The shelves are split into two, that's because of the length. It's not out of the question that we could do that in one board length, but we'd have to look at that in detail, and then just an idea of how we could fill out that little space there. We could go one higher there and have that coming across a bit more. The vertical distribution, I've guessed it from bookshelves I've done in the past, but it's an adjustable system, so you can put these pretty much where you like. With it being boards on the metalwork, once they were in position they're quite hard to move, but the initial design is not cast in stone. I've done lots of these recently. I don't use Elfa's own boards. They're 16mm chipboard core. They're not very nice. I've priced this initial one for white faced and edged moisture resistant MDF. It's a really nice tough board, easy to clean and can take a bit of abuse. I've also done, I think I'll just send you some links to these, that'll be easier. Bear with me. This is something I finished a couple of weeks ago. It's black Elfa it's like a burnished copper board. It's really nice looking, but there's hundreds of different board finishes we could go from sort of reasonably good copies of veneer to genuine veneer, plywood, all sorts of primary colours, pastel colours, and various different finishes, including metal, anything you want, it's all possible. But I've priced for a decent hard wearing white faced and edged. Okay, speak to you soon.